Welcome to Seabed and Bunkers Communication Television. We are reaching you on our YouTube channel.
Kwankwaso loses as court affirms Agbo major leadership. NNPP writes INEC seeks immediate enthronement of court order. Seabed and Bunkers Communications Television brings you updates about the leadership tussle between Kwankwaso and Agbo major faction. The Federal Capital Territory FCT High Court in Abuja has issued fresh orders restraining the Independent National Electoral Commission INEC from recognizing or engaging with any faction of the New Nigeria People's Party NNPP other than the leadership headed by Dr. Agbo Gilbert Major.
The court has directed that the commission, INEC, should stop to deal, transact, recognize Kwankwaso-led groups. They cannot hijack our party. That is the truth and nothing but the truth.
Justice Bello Kawu, sitting at High Court number 14 Agbo, Abuja, granted the orders on 25th and 27th of November 2025 in two separate ex-party applications filed by the NNPP, which accused a rival faction led by Dr. Ajulu Ahmed and several others of attempting to mislead the Electoral Commission despite existing court judgments affirming the Agbo major leadership. In the first ruling delivered on 25th of November, the court granted the NNPP leave to apply for judicial review by way of mandamus and held that the leave shall operate as a stay of any contrary or inconsistent action, recognition or communication by INEC or the respondents concerning the party's leadership.
Our party is ordained by God. All of you here, and all others throughout the Federation, under New Nigeria People's Party, are children of God. What we are trying to do is to provide the framework, the basement for those to lead this country, so that this country can become what it ought to be.
Justice Kawu also ordered accelerated hearing and abridged timelines for all parties to file their processes, fixing December 10, 2025 for substantive hearing. A subsequent ruling on 27th of November permitted substituted service on 16 respondents via the NNPP National Secretariat in Abuja and further restrained INEC, whether by its officers or departments, from monitoring, attending, or participating in any congress or convention organized by the factional group until the main suit is determined. The respondents included prominent members of the factional group, Dr. Ajulu Ahmed, Honorable Abba Kawali, Prince Nweze Onu, Honorable Oladipo Alayokun, Ladipo Johnson, Architect Mohammed Abacha, Mustafa Al-Kazim, and others. Following the court orders, the NNPP's legal team formally notified the new INEC chairman, Professor Joas Amupiton San, of the binding directives. In the letter dated 26th of November 2025, the party congratulated the newly appointed chairman and emphasized that the commission must now ensure strict compliance with judicial orders governing the leadership dispute.
And see that things are properly done. And on this note, it is also important that I say that INEC, as the umpire, must now, with the erudite, the scholarly, the senior advocate of Nigeria in charge of INEC Commission, let us now begin to respect the rules of law. That's how we get a good society, and that's how we can put our leaders.
The NNPP reminded the Commission that multiple judgments, including those of the High Court of Abia State, HUZ/11/2024, and that of the FCT High Court, FCT HC/CV/5518 2024 had already affirmed the validity of the national convention that produced Dr. Agbo Major, while dismissing attempts by the Ahmed-led faction to seize control of the party. Despite these judgments, the NNPP alleged that INEC had previously extended recognition and engagement to the factional group, even after an unauthorized and illegal letter dated 31st of October 2025 was sent to the Commission by Dr. Ajulu Ahmed and Dipo Olayoko, purporting to notify INEC of planned party congresses and a national convention. The party insisted that the individuals have no authority, standing, or legal relationship with the NNPP and warned that any attempt by INEC to engage them would amount to willful disobedience of court orders and a violation of Section 287 subsection 3 of the 1999 Constitution. The letter stressed that no public authority is permitted to place itself above judicial orders or fait accompli upon the courts, citing the Supreme Court's landmark decision in Governor of Lagos State versus Ojukwu.
Abnagab, we are children of God, and he or she with God is with all. It's going to be well with Nigeria. Nigeria is a great country, and all we need to do now is to continue to lend support and work hard. And working hard means that we have to support the sitting government. What do I mean by this? Let election divide us. Nigeria should unite us. Today we have President Tinubu as our president. All we need to do is to do what? To support him.
Justice Kawu's orders categorically bar INEC from engaging with any faction aside the Agbo Major-led leadership. The court also ordered that INEC must not upload, publish, or recognize any party logo, communication, or document originating from the faction respondents pending the determination of the judicial review. NNPP was directed to serve all processes on the respondents within 5 days of the order, while the respondents have 5 days to file their counter affidavits. The party may reply within 3 days thereafter. The matter has been adjourned to 10th of December 2025 for hearing at High Court number 14, Agbo, in Abuja. The orders represent the latest development in a protracted internal battle for control of the NNPP, a conflict that has spawned multiple litigations across different jurisdictions since 2023. It is to state clearly that INEC should, as a matter of necessity, upload the Dr. Agbo Major Gilbert and Comrade Ogini Olakbosi Sunday-led NWC executive of the party in their official website, and to restore the original logo and color of the party within 48 hours on receipt of the enrollment order.
NNPP, New Nigeria. Our party will provide Nigeria with the greatest leader ever seen. I don't know the time, but it will come to pass.
There should not be any vacuum in governance, thus keeping the party administration and management alive before the next adjourned date of 10th of December 2025.
Again with another top story.